Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. 'Tis the season to develop gratitude for all the incredible abundance that you have in your life. Having a gratitude mindset is not just for Thanksgiving or the holidays. It's something that you can practice year round. Gratitude resides ourselves at one of the highest vibrational states. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start by coming into any comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged or in a chair or laying down, whatever feels good for you today. Let's rest our hands in our laps and gently close the eyes. We're going to begin this meditative practice just by tuning into ourselves. Just inviting the breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Noticing the sensation as the breath moves through the body. Taking a moment to bring awareness to how your mind feels in this moment, how your body feels. And just sending some love to yourself. We're going to begin to bring our attention to the very center point of the heart. And just noticing where that point lies within the body. And as we focus on the center point of the heart, let's begin to cultivate a sense of gratitude. So just noticing when we focus on gratitude, how that makes us feel in our body and our mind. And as we sit here, start to bring your awareness to all the incredible things that you have in your life. Sending gratitude to all the beautiful relationships, family and friends that surround you. All the incredible resources that you have access to, including clean water, fresh food, utilities. Being grateful for the opportunity to generate income, to sustain yourself and your family. Bringing total appreciation to having a roof over your head, a warm place to live. And start to expand that gratitude to other things in your life, even the most minor thing, like a warm cup of coffee or a hot drink in the morning. The smell of a beautiful flower as you pass by. A stranger's smile. The opportunity to dance and sing and express ourselves. your physical mind and body, pure health for both. Just take the next few moments to cultivate and generate other ideas and thoughts that you're grateful for, from the very minor to the major things in your life. And as we continue to grow our gratitude, start to bring awareness to the sense and idea of peace in your life. Being able to live in a safe place, developing your home in a calm environment. Just really noticing that essence of peace that's in your life that we often take for granted. And from that very center point of the heart, that elevated energy of gratitude, we're going to start to expand our gratitude for peace to every cell of our being. With every inhale, expanding that high vibrational state, and with every exhale, softening and honoring the great gift of peace. Inhale, expanding that energy out to the edges of your skin. And then exhale, really feeling gratitude for all the safety and security in your life. And let's continue to grow that gratitude of peace outside of the body, expanding it to everyone in your town. Exhale, pure appreciation for having peace within your own town. And on an inhale, expanding that energy out to your entire country. And on an exhale, surrendering to the pure gratitude of having peace within the country. Inhale, expanding to someone or an area that needs peaceful attention. Exhale, giving gratitude as if it already exists. Continue with your breath. On the inhale, expanding that gratitude of peace around the entire planet. Exhaling, surrendering again as if it already happened, pure appreciation. And continue the next few breaths on your own, directing this peaceful energy of gratitude anywhere you feel is needed. We'll begin to relax our concentration. And we'll bring the hands to heart center. The thumbs press into the heart lifts up into the thumbs. Bow the mind to the heart and just take a moment of pure appreciation for yourself. For showing up and choosing to reside at the highest vibrational state of gratitude. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today and for sharing your beautiful energy with the world. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.